Hello all the ongoing college students or from the like engineering students. I am going to give my introduction, like I'm going to start my YouTube channel. And yeah guys, I'm going to start a YouTube channel, and I want to give my introduction. Like first of all, I want to give my introduction that I'm a I'm Anamika Goswami, and I currently pursuing BCA. I'm currently pursuing BCA. I'm doing BCA, yeah, Bachelor of Computer Science. You know, my audience already understood this. Like, yeah, I'm doing BCA because I'm from non-math background or not a science background. I'm from the commerce background, and I do BCA according to the listen to my parents, relatives, sister, and yeah, I'm doing it. And now I'm in a second year of the BCA, and what I've learned and what I've not learned, what I'm going to be learned in future, and all of the things I'll be shared on my YouTube channel, and all and oh, and of course my I fumble in between that and do not focus on that. Okay, I'm a student, I'm a learner. In learning phase, I'm going to be learn the things, and we have to maintain consistency during maintain the record YouTube videos, and I'm trying to do my best and just trying to record the video. So I'm a I'm just 19 or 18 19 years of 19 years girl, and don't focus on my mistake, just to focus on like if you focus on my mistake, if I committed some mistake, or yeah, I'm improving myself, I'm just want to improve myself, like give you the perspective, like guys, you gonna guys leave the comment what video should I record, or what video should I not, what mistakes should I not have to be done, what, and yeah, according to this I would be my learning will be, according to this my learning is continuously चलती रहेगी. So you guys can suggest me like how I will record this video or not. So let me redirect this video to the what if are the point of view of making the video. Let me explain you in you step by step. Okay, so first of all, my motive is to like improving my communication skills, because in every field wherever you go, like in college you have to be communicative with your teachers, the students, or your batchmates or your classmates. So that time you need to be very good at your English, or like first of all I will give my learning, like guys, what I have learned. Yesterday I was going on a trip, I was going on a trip, like the trip is something was like our college is organized it, and we have to go to Delhi. There's an event or something like that, Delhi, the fast festival, something like that, Jharkhand Fest festival. I'm going for it, and like many other students also going it from the other section also, and we were going it, and yeah, we have a fun enjoy in the bus, and yeah, that was a tourist bus, and we do enjoy the things, and yeah, that was the thing. And there's cinema hall like that, and we watch a movie, and yeah, something like that. And there's a in other language movie, I don't know in what language, but the subtitles are in English. So that time I understood that movie a little bit, like yeah, there's a father in that and a daughter in that, like father want teach her daughter the sports or something like that, or like yeah, that was a movie. But what the lesson I learned, I will tell you that, like uh, so I'm going to share my learning, what I learned there. That there's some student of that there who is visiting, and yeah, like they manage the arrangements of there, and and the some boys of our college, of our PC department, they had some misargument with the, or like something like Pakchoti Karma and all of that stuff they were doing with that cinema hall and the movie, and they'll talk about something like, yeah, जो यूजली सब करते हैं वो सब कर रहे थे, उसको हम जो भी कहते हैं, तो वही बदतमीज़ी कर रहे थे. तो दैट टाइम देयर वाज अ गर्ल, and there was a girl who was singing that song, and yeah, like they mimic the girls, and they just like they acting the girls, लड़कियों की वो एक्टिंग कर रहे थे, उनके उसके साथ साथ कॉपी कर रहे थे. That time the girls was really angry with that, and she asked me in English, she like, how, what, her confidence. I really, really, really very fascinated of that, of her confidence. Like, she said to me that, are you all crowd here is from the MIT? The confidence level is so high, so high. I just really want that. She asked me, this all over crowd is here MIT, and I'm very, suddenly I was, what? I shocked. Like, she asked me in English, and yeah, yes, I just say yes. And that time I discussed with my friends, as my friends sitting as beside me, and I say that I have to say something like, I think I said wrong to that all of the crowd here is from the MIT, but I don't think like all crowd is MIT or from the different colleges maybe visit here. So I, and yeah, I have to say that I have to insert them na, like we are all over crowd is MIT or not, I'm not sure about it. So I say in English, and whatever my English टूटी फूटी जो भी मैंने बोल दिया इंग्लिश में. And yeah, that was the thing I learned. It is a small thing, but the confidence, the girl or maybe the seniors, she's possessive, really, really very confidence I wanna want in myself. So, मतलब, the all things, the thing you have experienced when you go outside, you learn things when you observe all of the people, that they, how they dressed up, how they have the manner they used to speak, all of the things really matter. So please, 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 all the engineering students, all the, if you visit your college, just go the trip, just go trip of Delhi or whatever, or not specific to Delhi, whatever you want to go, just go it, like Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon. You learn the things, nobody's talking about this. Every talk about is how to learn DSA, how to web development, how to learn coding, all of that stuff. These things really matter. I really do not say, or I really do not say that you do not have to DSA. I'm also very focused on that thing like DSA. I'm also focused on this. Yeah, I have to be share in later videos. So whatever things I said now, like, keep, go out, learn from people, experience these things, learn from that. I'm not saying that you have to do like बकचोद वगैरह करना या फिर बदतमीज़ वगैरह करना. आई नॉट सेड दिस, एंड से लाइक लर्न फ्रॉम द others, and yeah, that is really matters. So all of the things really matters. So yeah, that was my experiencing, and yeah, and my all the journey. बहुत सारी जर्नी जो मुझको आपसे शेयर करनी है. आई वांट टू शेयर आउट विद यू, लाइक या, nobody is free to listen to you, nobody is there. So I just starting my journey as a YouTube. So YouTube is a medium, so I want to share my journey. I want to, all the rubbish things, all the whatever in my mind, I just wanted to split it out to the YouTube. So yeah, I want to share it. If you don't like my videos, if you don't like my videos, it's okay. I just wanted to, I just wanted to express my feelings to you. If you guys feeling this, just get out of it. Whatever you want to say, just give me what I need to be improved, what I have to be changed. And yeah, as starting out, I do not have the fancy things. I just starting out as I'm so yeah, starting out this. So और क्या बोलूँ, क्या है बोलने के लिए. एंड या जर्नी है. और द थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विद, लाइक, और भी सारी वीडियो में हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने, कैसे हम DSA को पढ़ सकते हैं, कैसे हैव people usually say that कि DSA पढ़ना है, they do not say like specifically एज ए स्टूडेंट क्या प्रॉब्लम आप फेस करते हो। अगर कोई आपको बताने वाला हो कि आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम एक्जैक्टली फेस करते हो वाई सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस एंड वाई यू आर स्टक एंड वाई यू आर गिविंग अप। मैं भी एक लड़की हूँ, मैं भी एक आप लोग की तरह की स्टूडेंट हूँ, मुझसे भी गलती होती है, मैं भी सच गलती करती हूँ। सो मैंने भी DSA को एक बार पढ़ा था ऐसे, जस्ट आई एम गोइंग इन टू द ट्यूटर ऐप, watching like I watching the videos like one by one video like when I start yes like in first year I talk about like I starting the DSA like मैं चलो DSA स्टार्ट करती जोश में, जोश पूरा हाई था, स्टार्टिंग में जोश आ रहा था। क्या हुआ, मैंने श्रद्धा मैम की प्लेलिस्ट खोली DSA की, आई थिंक वो C++ में थी या जावा में थी, मुझे याद नहीं है, शायद वो जावा में थी हाँ। तो मैंने उसको स्टार्टिंग आउट किया, तो मैं देख ही गई, मैं एक वीडियो देखी हाँ भाई समझ में आ गया, ऐसा लग सबको कुछ चलता है माइंड में कि हाँ समझ में आ गया, बट नॉट एक्जैक्टली लर्निंग। हाँ मैं ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं ऐसे वीडियो ऐसे फ़ोन हाथ में था और ऐसे वीडियो स्क्रॉल ऐसे वीडियो देखते जा रही, ऐसा नहीं था। मैं जैसे मैंने एक वीडियोस देखी, मैं जो भी मैम पढ़ा रही थी उसको लैपटॉप पर ऐसे फेस कोड पे मैं ऐसे सेव कर रही थी, बट द प्रॉब्लम व्हाट आई हैव डन, I do not solve the questions of related to that question related to that topic. I'm not solving. I am going. This is also the tutorial hell. Got it? Tutorial hell is like it's not like you are watching the video, like you're watching it, or like you're doing nothing. It is also tutorial, but this is also a tutorial. If you're watching video, any concept you do, if you do not solve the question, until you are not solve the question, you are not stuck it, you are not feel it like I'm giving up, that is a real progress happen when you like I have to give up, or at that time you understood the real meaning of learning. When you feel like I don't know, I do not understand, मुझसे नहीं होगा, नहीं हो पा रहा, नहीं, that time you not need to be happy to be starting out। मैं इतना DSA में इतना फंस चुकी थी ना, लाइक कई आप शेयर होंगे सब कुछ जान लिया। सो ऐसे हम फंस चुके थे ट्यूटोरियल हेल में। सो बट ना, उससे भी हम निकले, वो टाइम चला गया, डेट टाइम मैं गिव अप कर दिया था, DSA को छोड़ दिया था, बिकॉज डिमोटिवेशन इतना ज़्यादा हो गया था। यार जब मैंने भी डेवलपमेंट करने का सोचा, डेवलपमेंट मैंने सोचा, बीच में मैंने स्टार्टिंग की था जावास्क्रिप्ट वगैरह, बट धीरे धीरे चीज़ें जब लॉजिकल नहीं बन रहा था ना मेंटेन, मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि कंसिस्टेंसी आप धीरे धीरे सीखते हो। मेरे दिमाग में जब ये चीज़ें क्लियर नहीं थी, मैं यूट्यूब की थोड़ी वीडियो देखने लगी, श्रद्धा मैम की और भी जो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर थे, मैंने वीडियो देखी। दैट टाइम आई अंडरस्टूड कंसिस्टेंसी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, कि डेली करना। आप नहीं सीख पाते हो स्टार्टिंग में कि क्या 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 होता है, तो फिर मैंने सोचा थोड़ा लॉजिक बिल्ड करते, तो मैं उसके लिए DSA पढ़ा, तो मैं DSA पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया। तब मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया था, मैंने कोर्स खरीदा था श्रद्धा मैम का, अभी भी कोर्स ही है, मतलब मार्च में लिया था, और देखो अब क्या टाइम हो रहा, अगस्त सितंबर चला, पेपर इतने थे कुछ भी नहीं भाई यार, इतना मैंने टाइम वेस्ट किया ना, मैं क्या ही बताऊँ। आपको सारी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करूँगी, सो इस वीडियो में हम सब कुछ नहीं बता सकते हैं, बहुत लंबी वीडियो चली जाएगी, वरना बहुत लंबी हो चुकी है ये। सो या गाइस, इतना ही अभी हमारा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी है आगे हमारी, एंड वी डेफिनेटली रिकॉर्ड गाइस। एंड मैं जितना हो सके अपने बारे में लाइक किया, मैंने क्या क्या सीखा और क्या क्या मैंने गलती करी, गलती आगे जाके होगी और क्या क्या नहीं होगी, और क्या क्या नहीं करनी है, और ऑफ द थिंग्स आई टेक इट लाइक। अगर मेरी जर्नी को देख के आप मुझे कुछ इम्प्रूव सजेस्ट कर सकते हो तो करना ज़रूर, कि किस फील्ड में आई गेट मेरा सपना है आई ड्रीम टू गेट इनटू बैंक, बट लोग इसको रिलेट कर देंगे आपकी पैसों के लिए, अब उसके लिए, बट नो, नॉट फॉर द मनी, बट फॉर द लाइक, या मैंने कुछ किया है लाइफ में, आई विल प्रूव मैं भी। तो ये मेरा ड्रीम है क्या। सो मेरी कंसिस्टेंसी भी टूटी है, एक दिन की भी टूटी है, एंड कैसे मैंने 2.5 महीने की भी कंसिस्टेंसी, अभी मेरी 2 महीने कंसिस्टेंसी चल रही है, हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। सो आज की वीडियो में मेरे हिसाब से इतना ही रखते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं रखते क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी वीडियो हो जाएगी। सो Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, engineering student. Learning out new things, learning new skills will give you the better edge from others. And yeah, bye bye.